Hi, my name is Nathan Masserang, and I'm the Product Content Manager at Kensium. I'm thrilled to be sharing the Acumatica Magento Connector with you today. Kensium is a leader in e-commerce implementations and developments. We are Acumatica's Retail Partner of the Year in 2021 and an Adobe Gold Partner, and have developed many commerce solutions for the Acumatica marketplace. The Acumatica Magento Connector provides merchants with a real-time connection from e-commerce storefront to ERP, syncing products, orders, shipments, and more with speed and accuracy. Overselling and double entry become a thing of the past, as changes made within Acumatica and Magento are reflected immediately in their respective system. With support of multiple sites and stores and a B2B module, the Magento Connector for Acumatica gives merchants a robust solution that can fit into the flexibility of Acumatica's ERP framework and Magento's customizable front end. The Magento Connector works well with other Acumatica extensions and plugins as well. Manage your credit card transactions with Braintree, calculate taxes with TaxCloud, handle multiple sites and S3 images with the Commerce Pro extension, broaden your product catalog with the product configurator, and connect with shipping integrations for shipments. Here's what some of our customers have to say about the Magento Connector. Let's dive into the connector. When you publish the Magento Connector package to your Acumatica instance, you'll receive the Magento Connector workspace. You're able to configure the connector, handle schemas for product, category, and customers, and manage your real-time and batch processes. We'll start by navigating to the Setup Parameters screen. Here's going to be your main hub for all things configuring the connector in Acumatica. Here's where we can select our warehouses and handle any customer sync preferences and order sync preferences from Acumatica to Magento. The same can be said in the Magento dashboard. With our Acumatica Magento Connector workspace, we're able to handle our basic configuration and sync configuration. We can also handle any additional mapping of schema between categories, products, shipping methods, and more. In our schema management section, we're able to select what data we'd like to sync between Acumatica and Magento. Handling multiple attributes, we can toggle on which attributes we'd like to sync with the connector, and then map them in Magento. Let's start by syncing a stock item from Acumatica into Magento. Here I have a desk lamp, which I've already established with an item class and our price details. We'll head over into the e-commerce data section, where we're able to add in any additional meta fields and select our visibility. It's important to select how we'd like our product to be visible. I'm going to select Catalog and Search, so it's visible in both fields. Next, we'll enable the product for Magento Sync and save. When I go over into the connector logs, we can see that our desk lamp has already synced over into Magento. Within seconds of me enabling this for sync, the product is now synced over into Magento. Now that we've synced over our product details as well as our pricing details, let's sync over our inventory details. I'll add in our desk lamp and put in a quantity and release this inventory into our stock. Now that we've released this into stock, we'll head over into Magento and take a look at our catalog. Our product is synced over And our quantity's been updated now that we've released this into our inventory. Next, let's place an order for this new product. Our product's been added onto our Magento site. I'll start by adding one into our cart, and then proceeding to checkout. I'll use my Braintree integration to sync over the transaction that I've made. And our order has been placed. Now, when I go back to our Magento admin page, I'll take a look at our orders as they've appeared now within Magento. You can see with our order that's now been added, an Acumatica order number has appeared. Simply click on the Acumatica order number, and an Acumatica window will open up to that sales order page where the Acumatica order number appeared. Here we'll see our customer order ID, it's here, and that's our Magento order number. You'll also see our customer account's been created with its own unique location. Scrolling down, we can see the product that's been added. You can see that our transaction has come over from the processor once the order has synced over. From here, we can capture payment since it's already been authorized within Magento. And our payment's been captured. Now, we can head over into our shipments and create a new shipment for this customer. Shipments can be released into Magento upon confirmation of the shipment or on release of the invoice. In this instance here, I've set this up so that we can send over shipment details on confirmation of the shipment. Now that our shipment's been confirmed, we can head over into Magento. On our orders page, we can view the order. On our order page, we can see that our order status has been now updated to completed. And our shipment has also been added. Clicking on View Shipment, we can see the details. Our tracking number has been added and our customer has been notified. We can also see additional Braintree information that's been added. In addition to being able to map and configure the connector within Magento, you can also see multiple logs, such as the connector sync log. Here we're able to see any different changes within different entities of the connector, such as shipments, orders, and order statuses. We'll get a completed time and failure time with any additional details. In Acumatica, we can see the same thing within our connector logs. Here we can drill down based on the action type here, such as pricing syncs, and we can take a look at info or error levels that we see. Want to set up a failsafe, or do you have any missed items to add? The real-time processes and batch processes allows us to set up schedules for synchronization between the systems. And simply navigate to the real-time processes screen of your choosing for the entity and set up a schedule to process messages that may have been missed by the connector. Kensium's Acumatica Magento Connector gives merchants a powerful, real-time solution for up-to-date and accurate data management between Magento e-commerce storefronts and Acumatica ERP. The Magento Connector license can be purchased via the Acumatica price list, and a quote for implementation can be obtained by contacting sales@kensium.com. As a member of the Acumatica community, Kensium will honor partner commissions based off your Acumatica margin for license fees. Thank you for joining us today.